you catch me from my good side. I think I'm ready for my close up tonight. Make sure you catch me from my good side.
Hello everyone. If you are new, my name is Makia, and if you're not, thank you for coming back today. So today we're going to be playing in some eyes and some hair. So if you guys want to know what we're doing today, let's jump right into it. So I have me a bare face today and bare hair. My twists are out. Fresh, clean hair, everything. Kind of in the mood for like some green eyes and a nude lip, probably, because I'm putting on this particular color. You guys will see the hair really soon, but yeah, I'm in the mood for like some green, so I think that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm gonna get barefaced and I'm about to do my eyebrows. Y'all know the routine. If you've been here for a while, you know I do my eyebrows and do my eyes. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're about to do. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, you guys can see my eyebrows are done. You see the color we're going for today. Give you an idea what we're working with for today. So now we're gonna jump into the eye makeup now. Okay, you guys, so let's get started on this eye look. So first, I'm gonna start off with some concealer. And I'm just gonna blend this out with my finger. And to further blend it out, I'm gonna go in with a sponge. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with my first shade, and my first shade is gonna be my bone shadow. And I'm just gonna take these two shadows, and I'm just gonna apply it here. So next I'm gonna take a fluffier blending brush, and I'm just gonna go into this shade, and I'm just gonna lightly dab this color on right next to that bone shade. And I just want to lightly pat it on. So for my next shade, I'm going to go into this shade here, and I'm just going to add that right above the crease, and I want to dab that in. And I'm going to take another blending brush, and I'm just going to take that shade, that previous shade, I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines. And with the same brush, same brush that I applied, I'm just going to blend into the previous color to blend out the harsh lines. And with another dense brush, I'm going to go into this shade, and I'm going to pop that right into the outer V and bring it into my crease, just like that. And I'm going to take a smaller crease brush, and I'm going to take that same shade and kind of get it more into the crease. And now what I want to do is just blend this shade and smoke it out. And when I get the blend that I want, I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the colors together. So now I'm going to take some more concealer, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to be cutting the crease just a little bit. And I'm taking an angled brush, and I'm just going to cut the crease. I'm going to go back into the green just to add a little bit to the edges. And I'm just going to take this shade, and I'm going to apply this to the lid first. So pretty. And I'm gonna go into this shade and I'm gonna pop that right here. And what I want to do is start blending them together to get the, you know, transitions right. And on top of that, I'm gonna go in with this shade and I'm just gonna apply it right on the top to brighten it up. And I just want to go back and forth and blend these two shades together. Blend that as well. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera. If you guys saw my beginner's makeup tutorial on how I apply my makeup, you guys, if you guys are interested in seeing that, you guys make sure you check it out. So I'm just gonna do that and I'm gonna come right back so we can finish this eye look and jump into the hair. I'll be back. So we're back, you guys. We're jumping right into it. So I got my brush again with some concealer and I'm just going to angle this down in my lash line. Let me find another mirror actually. I'm just gonna take this green here and then I'm gonna use a smudge brush and I'm just gonna pack this shade right on top of our concealer. And I'm gonna take a smaller brush like this and I'm gonna take this shade and I'm just going to smoke that out. And I'm going to take the opposite side, use the same brush, and go back into the darker green. I'm just going to connect it to the outer color here. And to the waterline, I am going to be using a green eyeliner. I'm just going to create me a wing, but I'm gonna make a thin line. And then next, I'm just gonna apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And for the inner corner, I'm just gonna take this shade. I almost forgot about it too. And off camera, I'm just gonna apply these lashes here. These lashes are from Ioni. This is their Wispy Flare Spiky Lashes. And yeah, I'm just gonna put these on and we're gonna be done. So today's unit is from HERAREMY, of course, and this is in the style Nur in the color 99J. Oh, it's a nice burgundy color. This is what she is looking like in the box and out of the box. And you guys, this is just a normal way the wig looks, you know, with our lace, our two combs in the front and the back, with our adjustable straps. Y'all know the drill. And of course, I had to do a little bit of customizing. I gotta take these combs out because the combs give me hell. So to save me some time and my piece, we're gonna take them out. I'm just cutting the lace really close to the hairline this time. I want to slap this right on my head and just put it on, since it's a curly wig and I don't really want to lay it down, so I just want to put this on. So I'm cutting right on the lace near the hairline. So upon putting the unit on, you guys, I want a little bit more of a curl at the top. I didn't like how loose the curls looked right there, so I wanted to kind of clean it up and make it look nicer. So I'm just separating the area that I want to recurl, and I'm using a rat tail comb to help me kind of tame down the hair a little bit and comb out the knots and tangles, and I'm twisting it down. And then I'm just going to take me some perm rods and I'm going to do this curl. I can't really describe how I'm doing it. I hope my visual is helping, showing you guys how I did it. And then when I got done curling the hair, I dipped it in some hot water and then I let it dry overnight, and I sprayed it down with some got2b spray. This is what the unit is looking like. You guys do not mind my mannequin head. She's a hot mess, but it's okay. It's okay. So what I did off camera, I just took the front section. Matter of fact, let me put it on. Let me just put it on. Hey, you guys, so this is what we're looking like on. Is she cute? I'm about to take them down and hopefully it came out correctly. So I'm gonna do this one first. Now I just want to separate the curls just a little bit. I don't want to disturb the curl that much. I just want to get it a little loose. Just like that. That is so pretty. Okay. Just a little bit. I don't want to disturb it too much. I still want the curls to be intact. So. Actually really pretty. I actually let's see if I want to do like a side part. How to look at a side part. Okay, now I have it framed for my face, you guys. It's time for the final details. So upon looking at this unit, I knew online, when I saw it online, I love the curl and love the color. I was kind of skeptic about the frizz here that's at the top of this unit, but I still want to try it out and see how it would look on me. And when I received the wig, I knew upon putting it on, I knew that I wasn't gonna like, you know, the frizz going on here. So I did a little customizing. Like I said earlier in the video, I just put my rods on it, dipped it in water, and spray a little freeze spray when it just was dried, and took it down and just framed it to the face. And I absolutely love how this looks, and I feel like this is how it's supposed to look when it was curled. And girl, I'm gonna go back and recurl this. See, I was just gonna do a middle part and see how it's gonna look, but I'm like, upon putting it on now and like taking the rods and stuff down and picking with it, I really wished I did the other side, but I just didn't know. But I'm gonna go back off camera, and if you guys are, you know, interested in this unit, you guys try this unit out and you want to do exactly what I did, that's just what I did. I just did the top area, and you want to do like the area just near the part to kind of clean up the curls a little bit. Off camera, when I'm done, I've been pushing this video back for a while because I had to wait on the curls to dry, but I'm like, I can't be pushing this back any longer. I'm gonna have to just come back and redo it. But you guys, I really love how the curls came out. It's so pretty. Now that's the only kind of, it's not negative, but you know, you got to customize your units. You know, all your units that you receive is not going to be like pristine. You have to do a little customizing to them. That's inevitable. You have to do that. But yeah, I just had to do a little work to her, and now she is actually bomb. She is so bomb. Now you guys know, if you don't know, I love curly hair. I love the way curly hair fits my face, frames my face. So I had to try the curl out on me, and I love it. And the color, I'm not used to doing like vibrant colors. I do them here and there, but I really wanted to try this color in this unit, in this color, and I really like how it looks, and I had to do the makeup to match. So I'm really happy with the way it looks. I can tell why they kind of went with the texture to make it look natural. If you're into that, you guys do decide to purchase this unit, you guys make sure you check the description box below. I leave all the details down below. I do have a coupon code, so you guys make sure you check that out and use that at your purchases on HERAREMY. And this is the complete look. Also, I wanted to create a look to match the hair, eyebrows, eyes, everything. I wanted everything to complement each other and just to get ready for the season. So yeah, if you guys recreated, let me know. I'm gonna go and get up out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video all the way to the end. And you guys, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and you click the bell so you're notified every time that I post. And you guys remember to love, embrace, celebrate who you are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.